All right, so I'm gonna now explain a little bit what this is. So this is really an attempt to create an automation environment in Max. I started working in a DAW before I started working in Max. So what I wanted to do here was to draw in automation. So for example here in Logic, you can just draw in automation as you play over time. This then adjusts the volume slider. You can do this with multiple envelopes simultaneously, and I thought it was a really nice way to more specifically sculpt pieces of music, and Max didn't really have a nice way to work like this. The basic concept is pretty simple. If I just sort of explain how this works, if we, I'm going to do a little bit of patching here, create a line object, and we're going to have this move from 0 to 1, continuously over, let's do 4 seconds, and I'm going to have this loop here, and you'll be able to see this number now move from 0 to 1 continuously, and we're going to then send this number. I'm going to do auto.1, and we can then receive it here, right? So this is really what's happening. Like, you're just controlling values with send and receives between 0 and 1, and you have an interface sort of similar to what you have in Digital Audio Workstation, where when you move, this vertical axis goes from 0 to 1, and that allows you then to shape whatever parameter of whatever audio effect that you wanted to bring in. So this value can then, of course, be scaled. So if you, for example, wanted 0 to 1 to be something different, let's say we wanted it to be between 2 octaves in cents, we could do minus 1200 to 1200, and this value will then be scaled like so. So we have a really useful way to control the patch, but we really need to have a better way to control these values between 0 and 1 than just this little loop here. So we'll take a look at that in a second.